telling you, those tires are tiny. Well, okay, so as it sits right now, I'm down here with BAFabricator. It may change. It's my brother. What, you're like the head guy, something at NWA Custom Body Online?
Shop
manager. That's how I get sponsorships, it's because of him. Well, and Mike, I guess, but yeah.
And going to shows.
Well, yeah, there's that. Like, they will be sponsoring the 240. They'll be building the custom front markers, rear markers. I don't know what we're doing with tail light yet, but we're going to do something. And of course the 7-inch headlights, we're just going to custom build those out with a retrofit source. I figure we're just, they're going to look cleaner.
Stuff.
Yeah, well, they'll look cleaner if it's just the old school black round headlight with a projector in the center, and then whatever else we decide to do there. So we're down here, he's showing me like some tips of all this metalworking because he is like a fabricator. Well, you've been out of the game though for a little bit, but it's just, it's like me, you guys have watched me slowly get back into all the bodyworking stuff where I was completely like lost kind of at first. Like the first time I put the filler down, it was way thick and it was wonky. And now when I'm throwing down filler, it's going down smooth, it's going down nice. And that's on the couples therapy, the 240. So, what you guys sponsored the Z, you sponsored the FRS.
Yeah, both
and then you'll be sponsoring the 240.
Sponsored the 240, yeah.
Yeah, so we're just down here dicking around essentially. I'm giving him the basics, trying to get him video editing.
Playing with some hammer and dolly stuff.
And the video editing that we're getting ready to get into, just so we can get kind of started.
There's something else I was going to show you while you're here. I just don't remember what it was right now.
I'm sure we'll think
about it. I got you the basic.
Yeah, I understand how that works now. I get the stupid, what did you call that? Where's ploppy?
Oil can.
Yeah, where it's like
yeah. Yeah.
I just call it floppiness, but
it is floppy.
It's like grandma boobies. Just floppy.
Not that bad.
Yeah, not that bad. Here's a second. So we fucked off all day. We did.
Pretty much.
Mainly we were looking up parts for his Z, figuring out what needs to go to get what engine in it he wants, and blah 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 blah. We went over his editing software, kind of figured that out, got him started, so hopefully here soon we can start getting videos. He can start getting some content on the channel. And hell, I don't know.
Had a good time.
Yeah, we just fucked off though. He showed me all the little metal things, and I think when I get a day, I'm gonna have 2 kids at the house for the next few days, so it'll be kind of hectic. But I'm gonna probably flip the trunk over and see if I can fix the trunk, at least make it where I can body work everything. Like my rule of thumb on that car is it's never gonna be perfect. That's what blocking's for.
Exactly. Yeah.
So get it within 1/16 of an inch, and then when I fill prime, or not fill prime, when I body fill everything and then fill prime everything, it'll be perfect. 1/16 of an inch, bond, no inch it.
No, that'll be
so for now, I guess I'm done. I'll see you more on Couples Therapies episodes, and I'm sure we'll do more stuff down here. So yeah.
Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school. So you can feel cool. Give it to me, baby. Baby. Yeah.